The Touch System platform helps you put your customers first, whilst reducing your costs. A single integration to the Touch System platform gives you instant access to a range of scalable services that we refer to as service modules. These modules enable full omni-channel capability for your business and provide a comprehensive security layer across every aspect of a transaction, resulting in low fraud rates and high customer satisfaction. You can select the module or modules you need. Stay with me while I step you through these now. The first module is Perimeter Protection, where we determine whether the customer is legitimate for admission to your business. We examine the entrails of any system to see if they are who they say they are, or if we need to look at them a little closer. Service Module 2 is Identification and Authorization. In this module, we determine if the product system knows the customer, if they are a new customer, or if they are an existing customer who hasn't interacted or performed this form of transaction with your business before. This information is examined before they are authorized to transact with you. The third module is Transaction Integrity. This allows the authorized customer to perform the transaction they are legitimately wanting to undertake as fast as possible without them getting sidetracked with irrelevant options or wandering off to do transactions they are not authorized to do. Fraud protection is the focus of Module 4. Here we examine all the details of a transaction and determine if they are authorized to make payment using the payment option they have selected. We can see all the relationships in the data with diagrams that show us the molecular DNA of the users. We can literally amplify from one number to show a complete history, and then tie all the strings together to provide a complete view of a device and its user, making a web of transactional analysis to see all the relationships of users, payment options, devices, and more. This whole process takes less than 150 milliseconds, making it invisible to the customer. Module 5 is all about compliance. Internal compliance is set up to operate on a product owner's existing compliance rules. Payment information compliance will follow all legislative and government rules to protect against fraud and compliance around any specific payment options chosen. Every business knows that data collection and analysis is so important, and with Module 6, we provide you with all the data and intelligence you need. Module 7 provides businesses with a seamless online payment gateway called Money Payments. Money enables acceptance of all payment types, including Afterpay. For businesses that need an in-store payment solution for card present, we can help. Simply, Touch provides a full payment solution for any business. The self-service module enables businesses such as mobile telecommunication network operators, consumer credit providers, tollway operators, and utility businesses to securely transact with their customers through any device using a range of our service modules that may require identification, registration, and activation capabilities. The Retail Services module enables point-of-sale devices to provide a range of capabilities that may include selling electronic products and services, activating customer rewards, and processing bill payments. For Health and Government, Touch has developed Module 11 to handle approving entitlements on existing payment terminals. Medicare rebates are processed through this module to ensure that each step of the comprehensive payment process is checked and authorized securely. All of this is performed in milliseconds and provides customers with a real-time payment of their rebate at the point of sale. The Touch System platform is intuitive, reliable, and flexible, and helps you put your customers first, whilst reducing costs. So get in touch today. We'd love to help.